Hello and welcome to FinAware. In this video, I'll be walking you through your first 10-page test. So as you can see on the screen, I have a Bank of America bank statement with financial transactions, having date, description, and amount, and I'm going to show you how you can upload this document into FinAware and then get the corresponding financial transactions in an Excel file. So some things to note. Anything seen on the PDF can be captured, but if there are redactions to the transactions, FinAware cannot capture those transactions. If there's handwriting scribbled on top of this, that can cause difficulties in capturing those transactions. And FinAware has been tested on the major banks such as Chase, Wells Fargo, Citi, TD, and others. We do support some smaller bank names, but the results can vary on the transactions that are extracted. So let's get into it. How do you upload this file into FinAware and then get the transactions in tabular form as seen here? This is output from a case where we see the account number, posted date, description, amount, credit, balance, and so on. So I'll go to the FinAware login page. Here I'm on the website. I click login. I click sign in. FinAware takes me to the case hub. I'm going to click on FinAware in the top left, case dashboard, and then to upload your bank statement, you click quick actions, new upload. Then you can drag your PDF file into this box, or you can click here and your file system will show and you can click the PDFs that you want to upload into the system. We only accept PDF files, but you can click multiple PDF files. So here I'll name this test case 10-pager. I'll put a case file number for reference, and then we can add a description. We then click submit, yes, upload. The case has then been uploaded into the system and has to process. To see the case, we click this drop-down menu. We click the case name, and then you'll see two different status bars. You'll see the check processing status. This shows whether the checks have been extracted from the document and the status. You'll see done in green when this is done. And then we also see this transaction status bar, which right now is init, which means initializing. When this is done as well, this will show up as green and will tell us that our case is available to be used. The processing time can be anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes for this 10-page document, which really just depends on system load and other usage. So we'll come back to this document in about 20 minutes and we'll see where we're at. During that time, you might see this change to processing and it'll have a % completed. I've returned to the case and I see that the check processing status is green and the transaction status is green. And I know that I can now use my case for whatever analysis I might need. To download the Excel file to get these transactions in a tabular form, I go to this button, Download Excel. I click the button and you see the case data appears as an Excel file that you can view and work with within your system. You have each of the individual transactions as a row, and here is the first transaction we saw in that PDF file, $282.70, and here it shows, in fact, $282.70, just as we expected. And if we would like to see this transaction in the original Excel file, we would click this link and it pulls us up to that exact location.